surviving life as a VIP kid mom with small children. I have a 2-year-old and a 4-year-old, and I cannot leave them alone because they would cry and throw fits and bang on my door. So I cannot teach when I'm here with just the kids. What do I do so that I can teach? I only teach on weekends when my husband is home or his mother is home, because we live on the same property as my mother-in-law in our RV. So my classroom is in the house and the kids are out in the RV with either Grammy or Dad. So they don't even know I'm around. They think I've gone out, and that works great for us. They don't have to have crying kids because they think Mommy is nearby, and I don't have to worry about my children acting crazy. My son does occasionally like to come talk to the student, whoever is my last student of the day. He's 4, so he does know that I'm teaching sometimes, and he takes lingo bus classes. So before his class is my last class, and he will say hello and goodbye to my last student of the day, and that's usually on Sundays. And my last student of the day on Sunday is also my highest level student, and she adores Daniel, so that works great. He does get a chance to talk to them, but nobody has met Emily because Emily would just sit here and cry. And we can't have that in the classroom. So that's how I survive motherhood in VIP Kid. Bye.